against Rivers. LeBron James. Inside, Sam Duck, I'm sorry, but I had to teach your son a lesson. By LeBron James.
They're doing a good job of getting him on the
Spread floor for LBJ. Corver picked up by Jordan. LeBron a long launch. Rebound Kevin Love. LBJ, a reload. Don't you love mulligans?
Try to make just try to make it tough on them, and
Ronnie, how'd Dad do tonight?
he did good. He did good. To make it tough on them, and if I can make it tough on them, then it's gonna give us a great chance to win the game. And tonight was an example of that.
What letter grade would you give Dad tonight? A+. A+.
A minus.
A minus. Hey, they tough on me. I got the toughest household on the team, so if I did an A minus, I got to be an A+ on Monday in Detroit. So
Dad,
gotta get better.
Dad says he can be better from the free throw line. Any tips, guys?
So just gotta make them, right?
Relax.
Yeah.
Just relax.
Just relax and make them.
Relax.
Hey, kids, they know it all.
They do.
Ron, appreciate your time.
All right, thanks, Alex.
Jeff Campy, back to you.